Hello everyone, I'm Cindy Zhu and this is Matt Sampson. Together, we're going to show you how to do single sign-on for all kinds of applications, including SaaS application, web application, and the mobile applications. So let's take a look at the user experience first with the Workspace app.
Okay, you can see here we have the Workspace app already open up. So this is what your users will see on a day-to-day basis. We've got a few apps already installed. One of them is the Slack app, and that's the one that we've configured for SSO. So I'm going to show you how simple that'll be for your users to just SSO directly into Slack. So we're just going to click that thing, give it a few seconds, and it will launch another browser SSO'd into Slack.
And at this point, all the security access control, including disable printing, downloading, copy pasting, and the watermark are available to this SaaS application.
Okay. So it took a few seconds and it's brought up our new tab here with Slack already open, and we're already signed in as the user. In this case, the user's Workspace SSO 19.
Yes, web filtering is applicable to the SaaS application as well, right? So if you wanted to restrict the user to go to a malicious site or redirect them to a secure browser service session, that's all applicable here. Now, with the end user experience, let's go to the server-side administrative experience in Citrix Cloud. Let's go to the gateway service first.
Yep, you can see this is Citrix Cloud. You would see all your services here as an administrator. And as Cindy mentioned, the gateway service is the first one we're going to go to. That is where we'll go to add any of our web and SaaS apps. So you can see here we've already got the gateway service open. I've already selected the Slack web app. There's about 300 different web apps and SaaS apps that you can select here. In this case, I've already picked mine, the Slack one. And I'll show you how simple it is to set this up. So I've already picked Slack. The next step is to just pick your domain name for Slack. In this case, I'm just calling it demo.slack.com. And then the next step is the enhanced security that we talked about earlier. So you can do things like disable copy and paste. You can restrict printing, some of the things that Cindy was touching on earlier. Watermarks, these are all off by default and you can just add whatever you want. And the last and final step is the single sign-on itself. In this case, I've configured SAML, and you would just have to go to Slack and copy and paste the configuration you need for the SSO right into here. And then that's it. You would save it and you would be done at this point. And then your app will show up in the Citrix Cloud library. As you can see, there's our web app, Workspace SSO Slack. And you can manage your subscribers at this point. And right now I've got one subscriber for this app, but you could add everybody from your Active Directory.
Single sign-on capability as well as access control capabilities are available to SaaS applications as well as to enterprise-hosted web applications such as Outlook Web Access, SharePoint, Jira, Confluence, or any enterprise-developed applications that you have. Also, the single sign-on capability is available for native mobile applications as well. So that's what we have showed today, including the single sign-on with SaaS, web, and native mobile application. And these are all available today. I encourage you to try out and let your end users take advantage of all the latest and greatest Citrix has to offer. Thank you.